Hi, I'm Greg Hardy, and I have a question for you. Do you want to be wealthy? And what better way to do that than to take a look at what rich people do? What a better path to follow than in the footsteps of those that have already become rich? In just a moment, we're going to go over 10 steps that can help you pursue wealth. But before we do that, I have a favor to ask that you hit that like and subscribe button. It helps this channel to grow and reach more people. The majority of millionaires are self-made and have accumulated their wealth through a combination of hard work, education, and investing. This means that most millionaires didn't inherit their money through some trust fund, but instead earned it and managed it well. While this isn't a comprehensive list, I do feel it has the most important things needed to be successful. If there's something you feel I should have added, please leave a comment below. Let's start out with avoiding debt. Now, this may seem obvious, but you can't build real wealth if you're always giving your money to credit cards, car loans, student loans, and personal loans. Most credit card companies charge ridiculously high interest rates, so whenever you carry a balance, be intentional and pay these balances off in full every month. Wealthy people avoid frivolous spending by paying their future selves first. They save 20% of their net income and live on the remaining 80%. This is known as the 80-20 budgeting method. I have a video on the most common budgeting methods that I'll link here that I encourage you to watch. They also avoid keeping up with the Joneses and avoid having to have the latest and greatest gadgets. It's human nature to compare your life to others, but in order to get rich, you have to live within your means. Take a look at your lifestyle and budget and focus on what's most important for your own personal and financial goals. Some simple ideas may include taking homemade lunch to work rather than going out to eat for lunch every day, or limiting your Starbucks purchases to twice a month instead of a few days per week. Number 2 is setting goals. In order to know where you want to go, you need to set realistic and attainable goals to get there. SMART goals are critical in laying out a clear path for you to follow. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Did you know that 70% of wealthy people pursue at least one major goal during the year, versus only 3% of those struggling to make ends meet do this? So it's pretty obvious that setting a major goal is a factor in those who get wealthy versus those who don't. Having a well-defined path is much better than constantly feeling like you're running in a hamster wheel, constantly moving but not getting anywhere. If you write down your goals, you are more likely to achieve them. Writing things down helps to keep them at the forefront of our minds. I genuinely believe that by creating SMART goals, it's one of the most important things you can do in your life, not just for finances, but for personal development too. Number 3 is an emergency fund. An emergency fund consists of a minimum of 3 months worth of living expenses set aside and not to be touched unless an emergency happens. By having cash in the bank, you won't need to charge the expense onto a credit card or take out a personal loan to fund it. Now, I recommend keeping the emergency fund in a high-interest checking account to earn a little extra on your money while it sits there. Also, work towards having 6 months worth of living expenses set aside instead of the minimum of 3 months. This money isn't to be touched unless it's an emergency. That could be a car repair, medical expenses, home repair, or even a job loss or reduction in income. A fully funded emergency fund will bring you peace of mind, knowing that if an emergency happens, it won't put you in debt. Number 4 is invest. Once wealthy people have a fully funded emergency fund and all debt is paid, they invest everything they can. Millionaires will prioritize long-term investing over short-term spending. They invest in things that will grow their wealth, like real estate, stocks, and even businesses. By setting up a percentage of your income to go into investments automatically ensures that it doesn't get spent. Consistency is key if you want to invest like a millionaire. Investing in your employer-sponsored retirement account, like a 401k, allows you to set a predetermined percentage that will go straight into your retirement account. As a bonus, if they offer a match, you'll get to double the amount of your contribution. If a 401k isn't available to you, open a traditional or a Roth IRA or a brokerage account where you're able to invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or ETFs. Real estate is another common means for millionaires to invest, whether that is personal real estate or rental properties. Millionaires invest in things that will grow their wealth and not in things that will lose value over time. Number 5 is to establish multiple streams of income. Many self-made millionaires will have anywhere between 3 to 7 sources of income. That can include their primary job, dividends from stocks, interest from savings, rental property income, capital gains, and investments they have made with other business ventures. Diversifying your income sources will make your financial life much more stable while reducing risk and lessening the worry about money and growing your wealth. Warren Buffett famously said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." The purpose of creating multiple streams of income is that it's an incredible way to earn more money and free up time in your life. One stream of income is affected, the other streams can keep you going. Number 6 is to seek advice and learn. Financial education and literacy is vital in learning how to manage and invest your money. Finding a mentor who has been there, who will actively participate in your growth by teaching you what to do and what not to do is paramount. Establish a trusted team around you, like a mentor, an advisor, coaches, and guides. A lot of people say that your net worth is in your network. Who you surround yourself with says a lot about you and the opportunities you'll be able to create. Also, wealthy people read books, lots of books. They never stop learning and growing and are constantly looking for ways to improve. Billionaire and Microsoft founder Bill Gates says he reads 50 books a year. Warren Buffett said he reads about 5 to 6 hours every day. While reading alone won't make you rich, it gives you knowledge, and that can give you an advantage over your competitors. Number 7 is stay healthy. Not only do rich people strengthen their minds, but their bodies too. Exercise is something that wealthy people do constantly. Author Tom Corley wrote in his book, Change Your Habits, Change Your Life, 76% of the rich aerobically exercise 30 minutes or more every day. A healthy body and mind can transform your life. When you feel healthy, you do better, and your quality of life is better. Good health usually means that you'll live longer, which means you'll have more time to create wealth. Number 8, don't quit. Successful people have this resiliency to get back up when they're knocked down. They don't have a fear of failure, and they will believe in themselves when no one else does. The word quit just is not in their vocabulary. Rich people will set goals and focus on the task at hand and will have the persistence and patience to see things through to completion. Quitting is easy, and there are many people who were so close to success but quit before they found it. Don't be that person. However, there are some things that people should quit doing, like feeling sorry for themselves, bad habits, and complaining. Everyone has something difficult they must overcome. Show up every day and face the day head on with perseverance. Number 9, have an attitude of gratitude. Be grateful for what you have. There are people all around you wishing they had it as good as you do. A grateful heart changes your attitude and how satisfied you are with life. Having gratitude makes you feel happier and have more of a positive outlook on life. An attitude of gratitude means you operate from a place of abundance rather than a place of scarcity. Simply put, you are thankful for what you have rather than longing for what you don't have. And when you have an attitude of gratitude, you are more intentional on expanding the positives in your life rather than focusing on the negatives. Take some time every day to write down 2 or 3 things that you are thankful for. Being rich isn't just about the numbers alone. Having an attitude of gratitude can shift your mindset and enable you to build real wealth. A wealthy person realizes the value of everything that they've been blessed with in their life. Number 10, give back. Wealthy people understand that their successes are not only due to their own hard work, but from the support of those around them. When you become successful, you should pay it forward to help others succeed. Whether that's mentoring someone else, donating to a charity, or volunteering your time to those who are in need. By giving back, wealthy people are able to show their appreciation for the support that they have received. Having the mindset that we are all stronger when we work together creates a win-win for everybody. You don't have to be wealthy to give back. Find something that you're truly passionate about and give back to your community. The more of these habits that you follow, the more successful you'll be with money. This isn't one of those start now and be successful overnight deals, though. This is a marathon, not a sprint. These are habits that have to be learned and implemented every day. The sooner you start, though, the faster you'll start seeing the rewards. There is such a need for financial literacy, and my goal for this channel is to provide that to you. I want each video that I make to be impactful to you, the listener. If the content is useful, please comment and let me know. I want to provide you with the tools that will put you on the path to financial freedom. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope that you liked this video and that you got something out of it. I encourage you to watch more videos as it relates to investing and setting goals on this channel. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.